is nervous tissue. Nervous tissue is the longest tissue in human body. Nervous or nerve tissue is the main tissue of our nervous system. It monitors and regulates the functions of the body. Nervous tissue is responsible as monitor and regulate the functions of the body. Brain, spinal cord and nerves are composed of nervous tissue. So, brain, spinal cord and nerves are composed of nervous tissue. Okay, it is the main tissue of our nervous system. It monitors and regulates the functions of the body. Now, let's discuss about the structure of nervous system. It is made of nerve cell or neuron. This is the structure of single neuron. So nervous tissue is made of nerve cell or neuron. A neuron is known as nervous tissue. It comprises into three parts. Axon. This long thread-like structure is called axon. Cell body, this part, cell body, and this much part, cell body and dendrites. This thread-like structure, small filament-like structure is called dendrite. So neuron is made up of, nervous tissue is made up of nerve cell or neuron. It comprises three parts: axon, cell body and dendrites. Okay. Now axons are first is cell body. The main part is the cell body, which contains the nucleus, cytoplasm and other cell organelles like other cells. Extension of the cell membrane are referred to as process. Extension of cell membrane of cell body are referred to as process. Okay. Now dendrites. Dendrite is highly branched process. It is highly branched process responsible for receiving information. This dendrites help in receiving information from other neuron. So various neurons are attached with each other. Okay. So dendrites of each neuron receive information from other neurons and synapses. Means dendrites of one neuron is attached with synapses of other neuron, like this. For this other neuron which is originated from here, and the dendrites of that neuron is attached to the synapses. Okay, so dendrite is highly branched, responsible for receiving information from other neurons and synapses. Information of other neuron is provided by dendrites to connect with its cell body. When dendrites receive the information, it sends the information to the cell body for further transmission of response to axon. Okay. Now axon are long stem-like projection emerging out of the cell, responsible for communicating with other cell. This axon is responsible for communicating with other cell called the target cell, thereby passing the impulses. Okay. So dendrite receive the information from other neurons. Information of other neurons is provided by dendrite to connect with its cell body. Then from cell body, response is conveyed to the axon. Then again it goes to the next neuron, dendrite of next neuron. So information in a neuron is unidirectional, as it passes through neuron from dendrite. Information in a neuron is unidirectional. It is not bidirectional. It is unidirectional as it passes through neuron from dendrite across the cell body down to the axon. What are the function of nervous tissue? The main function of nervous tissue is to receive stimuli and send. It receives stimuli and sends signals to the brain and spinal cord. These signals are sent to the muscles via the nerves. Okay, so the main function of nervous tissue is to receive the information and transmit to the brain and spinal cord, which give response according to that stimuli to our muscles, and we perform the functions. Suppose we touch the rough object or any sharp object or hot water, then neurons transmit the stimuli to our spinal cord and then brain send these signals, give response according to that we should stay away our hand from that particular object, and it send the message to our muscles, and our muscles move from that place. Okay, so in this way the main function of nervous tissue is to receive stimuli and send signal to the brain and spinal cord. These signals are sent to the muscles via the nerves, and we perform the functions. Got it?